Hello lovely people, it's a beautiful sunny day and you're all welcome to Eagle Eye Angle, and we are going to prepare fresh tilapia soup and we are going to enjoy it with fufu. So without wasting my time, let's see all we need to prepare this simple dish. So these are ingredients, or this all we need to prepare this tilapia soup. We have our onion, tomatoes, garden eggs, turkey berries, pepper. We have okra, and then our salted beef, that's tolo beef. We have our salt to taste, our shrimp tablets. We have our dry fish, our tomato paste, and then our tomato paste, and then our blended ginger, onion, garlic, and pepper. Okay, and then we have the almighty tilapia. We have our tilapia, which I've marinated for 3 hours now. Okay, so that we don't feel the fishy parts of tilapia. So when you do it like this, it makes the tilapia very tasty, and then the soup also, it gives it another flavor. Okay, so before you use your tilapia, make sure you spice it and keep it, if possible, overnight or at least 3 hours. Okay, and we have this small dry fish. Okay, so that will be the starter or the base for the soup. Okay, so I'll show you how we use this one in a brief. So we are not going to be doing the traditional way of preparing fufu. Okay, so we are going to cut a cassava into pieces. Okay, we cut it into pieces, then we will blend it, and then we will cook our fufu. I'll do the same thing to the plantain. We just cut it into pieces. Okay, just like this, and then we blend it. Then we cook our fufu. But for the time being, let's start with the soup. When we get there, you understand it better. Start with our soup. I'm going to boil all this together: the garden eggs, turkey berries, pepper, tomatoes, and then the onion. I'm going to cook all of this together and blend. So to start with our soup, I'm going to first of all steam the beef. Okay, and I'll add this to the beef to give it a nice flavor when you steam it with the distance. But as for the big ones, that's this one. I won't add this one now because if I don't want it to break. Okay, I want to enjoy this akusumu, or the dry fish. Okay, that's why I got the smaller ones. So that one I'll start with the smaller ones to give it a very nice taste. Then later on we'll put in dry fish. So I'll add my blended ginger, onion, and garlic. Okay, I'll add it to it and then give it a quick stir. So add my salt and then my shrimp tablets. Please pardon my background. Okay, so I'm adding my shrimp tablet, and then so mind you, the salted beef, there's salt inside. You just manage your salt for now. So I'll just give it a little stir and then allow it to cook for a little while. Then I'll add just a little water to it. Okay. Okay. So tomatoes, onion, and garden eggs. The turkey berry is ready, so I'm going to take it off the fire and blend, and then we will check on the. Okay, so this one has been cooking very well. So we add in our tomato paste. Okay. The lettuce there. Then I'll be adding water to it. Then I forgot to take precursor. So I'll add the precursor. Then I'll add my water to it. Add more water. So I think this is okay. So I'll allow it to boil for some few minutes. Then I'll add in my blended tomatoes, onion, garlic, and garlic. Then I'll add everything to it. Then we add more water. So this water is okay for now. Come to pour in our receiving our blended turkey berries and then the garden eggs. So you see we don't need this. So we're adding more water. Okay. So our soup is boiling. So at this moment we put in our dry fish. Okay, and let it cook. Then we wait for a while, then we add our tilapia, then our soup is ready. So we're going to add in our tilapia at this stage. Okay. After a few minutes, tilapia soup will be ready. Okay. And allow it to boil for a while. Then we add our garden eggs and okra, and then we are done. So you are blending a cassava. In my pot, we are pouring in a blended cassava. Okay, then we'll add the plantain too. We blended the plantain too. So this fufu is not the traditional way of preparing fufu. Okay, it's very simple. So we just be stirring, and then we are done very soon. So this is cassava. We'll add our blended plantain. There you go. Then we mix everything together. But mind you, when blending it, don't add plenty water. Just a little water. Because when your water is plenty, your fufu will be runny. Okay, so just a little water to blend. Okay, so when you are cooking and it's hard, then you can then add your water. But when it is what you'll be looking for a way to make it hard, which is almost impossible. I say within is so just this texture is very good. It's very okay. Okay. Our fufu is in the making. So you just keep stirring. And then soon your fufu will be ready. This method is also very, very simple. You know, there are days when you want to prepare food and there's nobody to pan your fufu. You just blend your cassava and then the plantain and then prepare your fufu this way and you are done. Sausage Chinese. So our fufu is ready. Okay. This one you need a very good blender to blend your fufu very smooth for you. Okay, but the fufu is ready. So I'll just dish it out and then we check on our soup too. Then we are done. So our fufu is ready and we are checking on our soup. Our soup too is ready. So I'll just dish it out at once, then we hit the eating table. Okay, so let's do this together. Tilapia light soup is ready. Oh, I'm not sitting. Just slide it like that. Enjoy our fufu. So this is how simple it is. This is Eagle Eye Angle. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave your comments at the comment section. Let's get interactive, okay? Thank you so much for a big thank you to all those who subscribe, and then we say welcome to the new subscribers. We appreciate you so much. Thank you. All set and done. So we are about to eat our food. You are all invited. A very big thank you to you all for subscribing, liking and sharing our videos. Please like, share and still leave your comments in the comment section. Let's keep the channel growing. So all too soon our food is ready and we're about to eat. So we are all invited. Thank you. Fufu was good. It came out very well and it is good. So you can try this method. Like I said, when there's nobody around to pound your fufu for you, you can just blend your cassava and your plantain and just cook your fufu and follow the simple steps we used in preparing the tilapia, and you have a delicious meal. Let's enjoy together. See you in our next episode. Eagle eye angle. Don't forget to subscribe. Tilapia is very spicy and very nice. It's good. In fact, I want to get back to my food, okay? Eagle eye angle, like we all say, don't forget to subscribe. Let's keep the channel growing. So, on this note, we've come to the end of today's episode. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And let's keep the channel growing. Thank you so much for how far you've been with us. Let me get back to my food. And like we always say, eagle eye angle. Subscribe. Eagle eye angle. Subscribe. See you in the next episode. Bye.